Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to change the shells of the Hikari Pro into different colors you can purchase online. Link in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, turn off the mouse. Okay, that's how you turn it off. Open the shell. Now you can see two Phillips head screws here. We have to remove those. So let's get to removing. Okay, so guys, I have removed the screws. Now simply you have to take care and remove from the bottom first. Remove it and then push. Take it out. So you first remove it, then push it and take it out. So now you have the open body of the Hikari. You can choose any one from our shells over here. Link is in the description. You have white, mint, pink, blue and purple. Anyone you can have with any different combination you want, even black. I personally like white, so I'll be showing you a tutorial on the white one. You can do any, all the things are same, how to do it, the steps are the same. So take the mouse and you see there are small two clips over here, right? Take the thing and clip it, put it outside, pull it, just like that. Done, it's settled in. Now you can have a look. Yes, it's clicking. Settle it in the screw area and now put in the screws that you have taken out. Just one. Okay, so now you can check it's clicking perfectly. Now for putting in the back shell, you have to match these two clips, put them together and it will magnetically attach over here. For removing this, you have to put two fingers here and then put it from here. It will be fun, easy, magnetic. So that's how you put and attach it back. This was a tutorial on how to change the shells in the Hikari Pro mouse, and you can buy all of these shells from the website. Link will be in the description. Thanks for watching.